Hey there, I'm Gigi and welcome to Let's Get Cooking with Gigi. Today I am making some pork chops smothered in diced tomatoes, some au gratin potatoes, and some southwestern corn. So first what I do is I put some of the diced tomatoes in the pan here, and then I take and poke holes in the pork chops so that the seasoning can get in there better. And then what I do is take some of my seasoning, Gigi's all-purpose seasoning, okay? And so I take and put the pork chops in the pan here, take some of my seasoning and put on there, like that. And this seasoning here isn't that spicy. So the elderly can eat it, the kids can eat it, just about anybody. What I do is take the rest of it and put it on top, like that, smooth it around. Then the pork chops are ready to go. Now the au gratin potatoes, I put boiling water, milk, and this garlic and herb butter, which is really good, okay? And then it's all melted now, and then I just take and put the potatoes in there, like that, and then make sure they're all mixed up real good and covered up. And two, I'm going to take some of my seasoning as well and go ahead and put in here. So then that way it'll give it a little bit more flavor. Okay. And so the potatoes are ready to go in the oven as well. And then the Southwest corn, I'm going to go ahead and put some more of my seasoning in there. See, it can actually go in anything. That's why it's called all-purpose seasoning. And see, so now you've got all this good corn here, okay? And now, when it's done, then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like after it's cooked. So I'll see you soon. So the food is done. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and plate it up. And here are the potatoes, corn. Yeah, we got the pork chop. The big pork chop. See all the steam and all that's coming through. And then we can add a little bit of this juice on here, like this. So you see, we've got the tomato covered pork chop, the scalloped potatoes, and the western corn.